Now, in the olden days, our forefathers, they have their own way of sending message across to someone without even saying any word. By sending this object, different kind of object, and the recipient will understand what they are saying. Àrokò ni ọ̀nà tí àwọn baba ńlá wa tí wọ́n ń gbà láti fi bá ara wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ní ayé àtijọ́. Ṣé àrokò ṣó ti wá tán pátápátá ni? Àwa ọmọ ayé òde òní, ṣé àwa náà ṣe máa ń fi àrokò ránṣẹ́? Ẹ jẹ́ kí a ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò tí ọkùnrin bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ obìnrin. Kí ni àrokò tí ó máa fi ránṣẹ́ sí aya tó ń wojú ẹ̀ pé bóyá eléyìí á tiẹ̀ jẹ́ tèmi? Àkọ́kọ́, pákò. This is chewing stick. Eléyìí le o. Tí ọkùnrin bá fi pákò ránṣẹ́ sí obìnrin, ó ń fi ìfẹ́ hàn sí obìnrin yẹn ni pé mo fẹ́ràn ẹ, mo fẹ́ fẹ́ ẹ. Àrokò mìíràn tí ọkùnrin tún lè pa láti fi ìfẹ́ tí ó ní hàn sí obìnrin ni kí ó fi kí ló ń pè é báyìí? Ìkarahun ìgbín, kí ó fi ìkarahun ìgbín ránṣẹ́. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé ọkàn mi ń fà ẹ́, mo fẹ́ fẹ́ ẹ. Ní ayé òde òní, báwo wá ni àwọn ọkùnrin ṣe máa ń fi àrokò ránṣẹ́? Àwọn mìíràn wọ́n máa ń fi òdòdó òdòdó wọn á fi ránṣẹ́ pé mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ o, I love you, showing their interest by sending you love flower, òdòdó. Some will even send you card. This is one here. I have this beautiful card. By saying, sending you this, that I love you, will you be my beautiful wife, and all and all. Now, this card can wear out, can even tear off. And guess what? We have packaged something at Àrokò nilédè Yorùbá. It's an e-card whereby you can use, to express your love to someone, tell them how important they are to you, that you appreciate them, and this card will never get torn, right? You can look at it like 100 times as you wish. You can even write your own words. You can compose it for you. We can even send you the voice notes of this poem. So, do you think Àrokò has gone finally? No, Àrokò is still here with us. Tell me, have you ever sent any love code to anyone before? Let me hear your view.